Hello and welcome. This is our first project for Google Docs, and I think our first project for the semester period. So the difference between a project and a tutorial. This isn't like a project in the sense of like the term project or a big thing like that. It's just like a tutorial, but it's a little bit more open-ended. You make some choices, you decide how it's going to turn out, and you have free creativity with this. So the assignment page will look something like this. You'll be able to go to the project link, bringing you to this this page in the textbook. So basically what you're going to do is kind of draw inspiration from the original flyer and the newsletter. Put that back up here. So the flyer that we made, the newsletter that we made, the sorts of skills and things that you learned from doing those two tutorials will translate over to this application. So think about what you want to do. We want to create a flyer, a newsletter, or anything that features images in the document using, not Microsoft Word, I'll change that to Google Docs. It's your chance to kind of generate all the content, get your own images, use whatever images you like. The idea is you want to develop something that's eye-catching, something that's effective, something that conveys the relevant information to the user. I'll fix all these typos where it says Word and not Docs in the actual thing. What you want to do is create your own flyer or newsletter for some fictional or non-fictional event, sale, or informational lesson. What you could do is you could do a lost pet, a found pet, a garage sale, some object for sale, some party or other cultural event, or make a public service announcement. But just make sure that it's something that will include images. You're required to have more than one image. Use appropriately sized fonts, so large, bold fonts with good colors for your headings, things like that. Use word art, however you like. You must use both text colors and shading somewhere in the flyer. So make sure that you're changing the color of text so that you can show that you just basically demonstrate that you know how to use text colors and fill colors inside of all the text. You must have your margins set to the appropriate, set appropriate to the content. Like the flyer that we had narrow margins so that it could take up more of the page. Use all the appropriate styling, bold, italic, underline, whatever seems appropriate and makes things look nice. And maybe the most important rule here is no low effort submissions. Even if you're making a joke, like you're making a kind of a funny flyer with some humor in it, make it look like you're actually trying to sell the thing. No, just don't make it low. Like put some love into it. This is all I'm saying. Keep it tasteful and not too much clutter because that can turn people away. Have information that a person could actually act on, so like a phone number, contact information, or something like that. Go back to the examples if you were interested in some ideas and submit it to the portal as normal. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.